Oh, okay. We talked about subtraction of fractions, and now today we need to discuss those four examples that are exercises, the four questions that I gave you last time. The first question is this. I'll start from here. The first question for the correction was 9 over 10 minus 3 over 7. This is the first question that I gave you to do as an exercise. So let's go through it very fast. We said multiply the denominators, that is 10 times 7. 10 times 7, it is 70. That is 10 times 7. 10 times 7 is 70. Then we multiply 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is 63. 63 minus 10 times 3, that is 30. That is 30. So your answer becomes 67 minus 30, that is 37, over 70. 37 over 70. That one was the first one. The second one was this, number 2, for the example. Number 2 was 7.5 minus 2, 1 over 4. 7.5 minus 2, 1 over 4. 7.5 minus 2, 1 over 4. That will be 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Put down 2 times 4 is 8. And 4 times 2 is 4. Times 1 is 4. Whereas 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2. What will you get? You're going to get 5. You're going to get 5. Can you see that? Then 4 minus 2 is 2 over 8. So your answer is 5, 2 over 8. To this level, I'll not teach you how to simplify this, but I'll come to the topic of simplification later on as we go on. The next question was 6. Number 3 was 6 over 7. 6 over 7 minus 2 over 3. Minus 2 over 3. Now, how do we solve that one? What do? We take is equals to straight line. 7 by 3, I told you is 21. 3 by 6 is 18. Minus 7 by 2 is 14. So 18 minus 14 is 4. Then over 21. Over 21. Over 21. I hope you're marking your work and you're getting the correct thing. Now, I believe the last one you can do it, whereby you're going to take 10 minus 1, you get 9. And then the fraction 4 times 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 by 3, 6. And 4 by 1, 1. So that is 6 minus 4, 2 over 8. So you find your answer as 10, 2 over 8. 10, 2 over 8. Thank you. Let's now try our best to solve what I've written. The subtopic of today is subtraction of fraction. But which fraction? It's a whole number minus fraction from a whole number. Now, which is this fraction of ours? Example number 1. Example number 1. Example number 1 is this. We are going to have 4 minus half. 4 minus, let me say, minus 1 over 12. What will you do? Step number 1, imagine of 1, take 4 minus 1. What will you get? 3. Now this 1, make it a fraction of the denominator. What is the denominator here? 12. So make 1 a fraction of the denominator. That will be 12 over 12. Now, take these 3, combine this with 12 over 12. What are you going to get? You're going to get 3, 12 over 12, minus now 1 over 12. What are you going to get? You're going to get 3, 12 minus 1, 11 over 12. I'll go through again, need you to look well and understand. I've said the question is 4 minus 1 over 12. Let's say this question number 1. This question number 1. So 4 minus 1 over 12. Now, take 4, the whole number, minus 1. Think of 1 and subtract it from 4. You get 3. This 1, we are subtracting so that we can make a fraction of the denominator. We make a fraction that has the denominator as 12. Which fraction will it be? 12 over 12. Now, we have 3, we have 12 over 12. Take 3, combine with 12 over 12. You're going to have 3, a whole number, then 12 over 12 as a fraction. Now, subtract 1 over 12. When you subtract 1 over 12, 3 becomes a constant, a whole number, and you subtract the numerator minus numerator, denominator remains the same. That is 12 minus 1, 11, denominator becomes 12. Another example can be this one. Example number 2. Let's say 13 minus 3 over 8. 13 minus 3 over 8. 13 minus 3 over 8. So 13 minus 3 over 8, you are going to take 13 minus 1, you'll get 12. Make 1 a fraction of the denominator. What is the denominator? 8. Becomes 8 over 8. Combine these two to make a mixed fraction. That is 12. 8 over 8 minus this, that is 3 over 8. All together? Now you will take 12 as a whole number. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 becomes 8. So your answer is 12. That. Whatever you are given, example number 3, 6 minus 2, 4 over 7. 6 minus 2, 4 over 7. What if you are given that? What you're going to do, you do the same. Take 6 minus 1, you'll get 5. 1, make it a fraction of the denominator, 7 over 7. 7 over 7. Combine these two to make a fraction, that is 5. 7 over 7 minus 2, 4 over 7. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 4, 3 over 7. Understood? If you have understood, I wish to give you some questions that you try and then we discuss tomorrow. Mind check. Mind check 1. 9 minus 2 over 5. Mind check 2. 6 minus 6 over 8. 3. 10 minus 2. 3 over 7. And Roman number 4 is 11 minus 4, 1 over 2. Okay, you try those 4 questions tomorrow. We'll discuss them or any video that will follow. we discussed them. That was for subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. That is, when we come next, we are going to talk about fraction as part of a whole. Fraction as part of a whole. Love you. Continue watching brec.tv online. Subscribe.